Welcome to our channel. If you want to save money on groceries without sacrificing quality, follow these step-by-step instructions to reduce your food budget significantly. Step 1. Create a weekly meal plan before shopping by deciding what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day to buy only necessary items. Step 2. Check what's already in your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer to avoid buying duplicates and build meals around ingredients you already own. Step 3. Make a detailed shopping list organized by store sections and commit to buying only items on the list to prevent impulse purchases. Step 4. Compare prices at different stores using their apps or weekly ads, and consider shopping at multiple stores if significant savings justify the extra time. Step 5. Buy generic or store brand products instead of name brands, which typically cost 20–30% less with similar or identical quality. Step 6. Purchase in bulk for non-perishable items you use frequently and items on sale, but only if you'll actually use them before expiration. Step 7. Use coupons strategically by combining manufacturer coupons with store sales for maximum savings, using apps like Ibotta or store loyalty programs. Step 8. Shop alone, avoid shopping when hungry, and go during off-peak hours when you're less rushed and can compare prices carefully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.